Okay, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Calvin Click. Today I'm going to be sharing information about what is Bitcoin. Most of the people be asking, what is Bitcoin? Like, what is Bitcoin? You understand? So today we are going to be talking about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? How it works? You understand? Okay. Thing is like this. Bitcoin is among the many for cryptocurrencies. It's a digital currency like any other currencies we have heard about, Ethereum and many others. Okay, today our crypto when we talk about Bitcoin is one of the major cryptocurrencies in the world. It's the one of the major and the base of all cryptocurrencies in the world. It was founded first than any other cryptocurrency, you understand. So Bitcoin was invented in 2008, but it came into use in 2009. This form of cryptocurrency was found by a person or a group of people who are in the names of Satoshi Nakamoto, you understand. Okay, we all don't know the real founder, the face, or any physical like identification of that person. It's only the name that it is known that it is Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is made of units that are called Satoshi from the name of the founder, the anonymous founder, you understand. So Bitcoin runs on a network which is called Bitcoin network. All transactions of cryptocurrencies occur on blockchain. So we all know that blockchain is a digital ledger. What do I mean by a digital ledger? Digital ledger, for those who know accounting, Bitcoin ledger, okay, any ledger is where we record transactions that happen in a business. So anything that happens in the crypto world, in the cryptocurrencies, any transaction that happens, let's say you're sending Bitcoin from one person to another, from one wallet to another, from one exchange to another. So all those transactions that occur in that period, they are all recorded on a ledger. One thing you should know about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin is is once you make a transaction, it cannot be reversed, you understand. So you have to make sure that if you know the address, copy it very well and make sure that that address, it is not even mistaken in any way. Even if it's a full stop, it makes the address wrong. So you have to be very careful, because when you send any bitcoins or any cryptocurrencies on the network, on blockchain, that money goes to a random person and it cannot be reversed. So you have to be sure of the address of where you're sending or receiving money from, you understand. So Bitcoin was invented most of people believe it was invented to make online, like to pay for online services and purchase online commodities. People also say that it was invented to be as an alternative payment system. Most of them believe that it was invented to be another form of storing of value, you understand, as gold. So also they believe that Bitcoin could also be a store of value as gold does, you understand. And most of them it is also believed that it was invented for the reason of sending money via internet, which was not but back then it was not easy to send money. So it was formed to in any to see that we can meet all those things that I've stated above, you understand. So with all that being said, Bitcoin basically, how does it work? So Bitcoin basically, I've told you how it works. It can do all that I've stated, sending money online, making online purchases for goods and any other services. It's an alternative payment system. It's also a form of money. So Bitcoin has a value, as you can see on this chart. The current value of BTC or Bitcoin is it is 24,667.40. As you can see, the price is changing because this is a market. It is a current market, you understand. It is a current market. I'm on a current market on an exchange called Binance, you understand, which is one of the biggest and largest crypto exchanges in the world. So Bitcoin is currently at that price, and in Uganda you can see that it is currently Bitcoin is currently running. You can see it here, you understand, here. You see, that's the price of BTC right now, and in Uganda it is currently running at those who know Uganda, you can see that it is million chenda, you understand. So it is 90 million, you understand, 90 million and what 90 million point five, you understand. So you see that it has a higher value, and this is one of its highest like lowest value, because Bitcoin has ever reached a point where it was around 69, you understand. Here, this was the highest value of Bitcoin of all time. This value here, if you can see here, this top here, Bitcoin reached a value of 69,000. If you can calculate, you can see how much it was in your currency, you understand. So this was the all-time high. Like, this was the highest value that Bitcoin has ever reached for its existence, you understand. $69,000, you understand. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Okay, so but it has been experiencing from that time, it has been experiencing, you see, this is around 2021, yeah, that's when it reached this high of 69,000, but it has been experiencing a bear market ever since that period. So you can see right now it's trying to go up from this low here, you understand, this low here. So it's trying to go up here, as you can see it, you understand. But it has been facing a lot of challenges, which could have been Bitcoin is not regulated by any institutions or government. So this Bitcoin is decentralized. So being decentralized, it's not regulated by anyone. No one is in charge of it, in charge of any transactions. Everything happens decentralized, and it happens between people, you understand, and everything happens on a blockchain and networks, you understand. So Bitcoin, since it's decentralized, and most of the times governments want to engage in everything, so they want to regulate. So in these regulations, many of the policies many policies are formulated, many things come into existence because they want to regulate, and this affects the market. So this is one of the reasons why you see this, and the market is driven by many factors. Okay, besides that, that's not the main thing. So this is I just want to show you the chart of BTC and its current value today, you understand. So BTC, Bitcoin, as we are talking about it today. So Bitcoin, how does it work? How do you make money? How do you, so many people have studied it is a store of value. So some want to invest into it. So as you can see, somebody, okay, let me show you how it works. Okay, somebody invested around here, around this zone, you can all see here, you understand. So people can invest their money at this point when BTC was just 15,000, you understand. You invested at this point, let's say, you understand. So it's so somebody can invest at this point and wait for the market to go as high as this, you understand, from here down to as high as this, you understand. That's a lot of profit if you have invested quite a lot of money. So you expect to go into the market and withdraw your money if you think you have made a lot of profit. So right about now we are experiencing a bull temporary season. We don't know how long it will last, and we cannot say that it's a bull season. So we have to wait until we see more confirmations, because it's still in a bear market, you understand. So BTC, one of the ways how you can make money through it is investment. Like I've showed you, if somebody invested here is now making profit up to here, and you don't know how long it will take for it to come back again, so you understand. So most of the people do invest and get money, you understand. So BTC can be accessed on very many exchanges, but you have to pick out legit exchanges. For example, in this tutorial we are using Binance, but there are some other crypto exchanges that you can access to find out BTC, to invest in BTC, to trade BTC, to see and determine its prices. Like, okay, like you be there to monitor, you see, you understand. So most of the exchanges could be like Kraken, very many of them. We have very many of them, by the way. Yeah, Huobi, Coinbase, and many others, as you can see there. Okay, now BTC. So that's one of the ways. Another way is to trade. For example, in this exchange, you see there is this option of buy and sell, as I've already told you. But there's an option of trading. You can trade BTC. For example, this is BTC, BUSD. But you can trade it against other currencies. So what is trading? Trading basically is selling and buying. So if you don't want to invest and hold for a long time, you can decide to trade BTC. You buy and sell, buy and sell. Look out for arbitrage opportunities. I'll be explaining that later in another video. But that's Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin. That's what I wanted you to understand about Bitcoin. Bitcoin not regulated by anyone. It's decentralized. It works on a blockchain, Bitcoin network. And I hope this video makes sense to you, and it is very important. Give me a like, a comment, a subscription on my YouTube channel, so we can grow this channel together. If I've missed out any information, you can kindly send me a message or comment on this video what I've missed out. Thank you.